Let AutoMarker create place-saving fusing blocks for diagonal collar pieces. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Open the editor for smart placement. Select the collar. Everything you will now define will be valid for all pattern sizes. Click on Advanced. Give a name for the group. Define the fusing block. This is a block from type minimal rectangle with an outer gap of 10 mm. Click on OK to save the block definition and close the windows. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has created place-saving fusing blocks for the diagonal collar pieces.